like some dude just creeping on some woman, you know what I mean, staring at her. So all right, today I'm checking out Andrew Bird. I'm listening to the song Roma Fade. Let's get into it.
See the light, how it rains so hot on your high plains. See you take such pains that she won't notice you. And your X-rays of your paleo male, oh gaze, how they rest and play, slowly corrupting. I wonder what the chances you wanted to. 1,000 vacant stares won't make it true, make it true. You need a witness just to know you're there. From the tips of your fingers, every strand of hair. And I know someone's watching you, watching me, watching you, and all that we look upon. You may not know me, but you feel my stare. If she sees you, changes you, rearranges your molecules. And if you see her, it changes her. She's a danger now after school. And if she sees you, it changes her, rearranges your molecules. And if you see her, it changes her. She'll be seeing you after school. He's a gentleman over to rise. Maybe she's a gentleman in disguise.
What is going on here? Did he say maybe she's a gentleman in disguise? So she's actually a man or something? What? Well, I thought in the beginning, I'm like, oh, this is beautiful. The whistling. Whistling is hard to do, actually. So, like, whistling, if you could whistle, for me, that's kind of like you could sing or like it's an instrument or maybe in between the two. It's like in between singing and instrument. But whistling is actually a talent. Then you got like a little orchestra there, you know, a little violin. And then he said, what did he just say? She might be a man and whatnot. But he said, you don't know me, but you can feel my stare. That's when everything changed. The sound went from beautiful to creepy, just like that, in an instant. You know what I mean? I guess it's still kind of beautiful, but I just kind of picture like some dude just creeping on some woman, you know what I mean, staring at her. So it changed everything. And I don't know, maybe he's joking. Maybe a stalker song. You're stalking a girl that you think is a girl, but it's not a girl. It's a dude. Like, I don't know. Now I don't know what's going on. I thought it was like some kind of beautiful love song. I wasn't paying that close attention to the lyrics until he said the creepy line. Then the whole, you know, then I got real alert.
Do you need a witness just to know you're there? From the tips of your fingers, every strand of hair. And I know someone's watching you, watching me, watching you, and all that we look upon. You may not know me, but you feel my stare.
Oh, that was kind of hard. Man. When he would play the violin like it was a guitar, why did that sound so cool? Just the way it sounded all plucky and stuff. That was cool. The last time they transitioned to the creepy sound, like the sound literally got creepier. But the music that was beautiful and wasn't creepy became creepy once I realized the song is about a stalker. I was kind of confused, so I'm glad he did it again. Because he's like, I know you're watching her, watching me watch her. I got confused about this like watch triangle that was going on. But he said it was him. He's like, you may not know me, but you feel my stare. When he did that real dramatic transition, then the music got creepy, but hard and cool at the same time. Like, dang, okay. Now I'm smiling to some creepy stuff, which is cool because it's all for entertainment. So it's fine to smile at creeps. It's not like I'm smiling at a stalker in real life or something like that. But we've listened to quite a few songs about stalking, but I guess that's a real life thing that happens. So you're just making a song about real life events. But yeah, I mean, that was definitely some stalkerish stuff, but the sound was cool. So I guess it was like beautifully creepy or scary beautiful or whatever. You gotta combine the beauty with the creepy, however you want to do that. Mash it together, and that's what we just listened to.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But